California is the first state to offer apostille pop-up shops, and it's a proud moment for us to offer these critical services. Are you a proud Californian knowing that the Secretary of State is offering pop-up apostille shops? Tell me, no, I'm looking it up. What apostille is? What apostille services are? Okay, well, probably wanted to do a job for the first lady of comes from a French word.
Taco Bell. I'm not going there, but
As issued by the Secretary of State, it's attached to your original document to verify that your original
yeah, I'm over with bad food.
and authentic.
Taco Bell, I am not. Yeah, it's bad food. I would never eat there again. Oh, I'm still recording. I didn't know that. Okay. Still is. Okay.
Not sure why.
Still recording.
A press release on that today. Maybe you would like an apostille pop-up shop in your neighborhood. My number show here is 202-340-3483. Shutting down parts of campuses across the nation. Well, federal government, your tax dollars are hard at work here. The Department of Transportation. And you know who that's headed by? Yes, America's favorite mayor, Pete Buttigieg. Department of Transportation has announced the rollout of new rules. Here we go again. I am getting very weary of all of these three-letter agencies, DOT, EPA, HHS, whoever it is, all have making rules for us that
The practice of Netanyahu is terrible. What could be worse than what he has done in response? First of all, the exposure. His intelligence person resigned. He should resign. He's ultimately responsible.
So here we are. Correct. She's in Ireland. Israel's been subjected to these vile attacks by these terrorist regimes. We have the Jew-hating, American-hating, anti-Semitism throughout our country as a result of Democrat policy started with Obama in our immigration system. But it doesn't begin and end there. That's just a little part of it. Ideologues from the Democrat Party, people who have funded Nancy Pelosi, who have given her PACs money so she could win the House. Billionaires, dark money, coming into this country are being used, laundered through organizations, Soros and others. Nancy Pelosi, long, skinny, aging, wrinkly skinned hands behind the whole damn thing. And now, having lit a fuse to all of this, she goes after Netanyahu again as a way of attacking the Jews, as a way of attacking Israel, as a way of sending signals, dog whistles, in her case, dog whistles, to their militia. Keep at it. She hasn't given a speech denouncing this. She hasn't given any kind of speech whatsoever. In fact, she voted with 50 or 60 of her Marxist, Islamist pig colleagues in the House to cut funding for Israel. She's going to cut them off. She's done such a great job in San Francisco, representing that city, Really, the most beautiful city in America has been destroyed thanks to her and her damnable party. Look what she's done to the state of California, which was the greatest state. For entrepreneurship, people wanted to move there, freedom. They destroyed it. She was the main actor behind that. She's the one that wants to change our voting system so the Democrats can never lose. She attacks all of our institutions. She set up the January 6th committee to try and destroy Donald Trump and anybody related to him. Then they went ahead and destroyed evidence. She was behind 2 unconstitutional impeachments, and she's there now trying to force Netanyahu out of office. And isn't it swell, ladies and gentlemen? Think about it. Isn't it nice of her? But, you know, the Israelis, the Jews, they have a right to defend themselves. They don't need your permission, a-hole. They don't need your permission, you disgusting buffoon. They don't need Biden's permission. They've been fighting for their survival for 4,000 years. And they've been up against a lot more than Joe Biden and Nancy Pelosi.
Nice text.
And then I want you to listen to this. With her Ireland National Public Service interview. Listen to this. Cut one, go.
Overwhelming. We don't know how many people driving had the Hamas report. Let's accept that it's tens of thousands. 10 would be too many, but tens of thousands. 35,000 seems to be the number at the moment. I know that's really bad. Let's accept that it's too many, whatever it is.
Let's accept that. Whatever it is, it's too many, whatever it is. But Israel has a right to defend itself, America. How many civilians, I'm serious, in Gaza have been killed by Hamas? Does anybody know? No. Does anybody care? No. Anybody keeping numbers? No. How about the Hamas Health Organization? What are their numbers? They don't have any numbers. So let's accept whatever it is. 0. That's cool. In her heart, you know she's an anti-Semite. Just like Biden. And I want to tell you a little story. That this has been a long-held problem in the Democrat Party, and I don't care how many Jews have been bamboozled, and I don't care how many Jews vote Democrat. Anybody at this point who votes Democrat is insane. Jews and non-Jews. I'm having a guess. Let me see. We'll get to this after the break. 1984. 40 years ago. A gentleman, a scholar by the name of David S. Wyman. David S. Wyman? Jewish? No, he wasn't Jewish. Protestant. And he decided, I need to take a deep dive into what happened. The Holocaust took place and our media were silent. Our politicians were silent. Franklin Roosevelt wouldn't lift a finger. Our colleges and universities originally sided with Hitler and the Third Reich. How can this be? We had this so-called America First organization led by Charles Lindbergh. How could that be? All of this was taking place in Germany. Now it's called America. How can that be?
I'm sorry, we had every right to take a little bit of closure in the fact that this didn't hurt anyone anymore. Now, that's my question. I would never think of it actually someone like closing the organization. I agree. I hope that this is not to be a two-party country and that he can do his new daughter and his past. The respectful final resting places that we just
Take the North Valley. Traffic is still running along nicely on the 99 and the 152 at the Merced and Las Vegas areas. Here in Fresno, traffic is heavy up southbound 41 between the Herndon and the McKinley Avenue exits. Traffic also a little stacked up right now in both directions on the 180 over to the northbound 41. I'm Michael Reed, K&J Traffic.
This report is sponsored by Allstate. Some people just know the best rate for you is a rate based on you with Allstate, not one based on anyone else. So if you drive safely, you could save money. Just to know. Visit Allstate.com or call for a quote today.
Recently, a very well-known allergist here in Fresno, my allergist, retired, and there are a few of you that are not happy. I know, because I'm hearing from you. Like you, it's like, what the heck am I going to do now? Relief literally is on the way. Allergies, sinus, asthma. Let me introduce you to the Premium Allergy and Respiratory Center. Dr. Angela Sabri. Yes, some of you know her. She has opened up the Premium Allergy and Respiratory Center. Just like that other doctor, you don't need a referral. You can just go to the state-of-the-art Premium Allergy and Respiratory Center and Dr. Angela Sabri. You can get a jump on this right now by clicking premiumallergy.com. That's premiumallergy.com. The same treatment that you knew and loved for years and years, you're going to find it. If you have allergy problems, asthma problems, sinus problems, click premiumallergy.com. Dr. Angela Sabri and the Premium Allergy and Respiratory Center. I'm happy. Most insurance is accepted.
I'm Vince Starr, and I approve this message because I'll never stop fighting. Think about it.
Vince Vaughn, experienced, tested, trusted. He's spent a career standing up for the Central Valley, and he's not done. Vince is running for Congress to take the fight to Washington. He'll defend water and energy resources, and he'll oppose new taxes and work to secure our southern border. Political ad paid for by Vince Vaughn for Congress.
The life of a small business owner, keeping the lights on, calling all the shots, and then there's workplace accidents, 500-degree ovens, rusty nails. Danger lurks around every corner. Workplace accidents can happen, but there is an easy way to keep your employees covered. Talk to your agent about workers' comp coverage from PIE, or go to pieinsurance.com and get a quote. Safety first, then PIE Insurance. Individual rates, offerings, and savings may vary, subject to policy terms and conditions. Not available in all states and situations.
Power, reliability, and efficiency. That's what you get with the John Deere 6R utility tractor. Improve productivity with the power-to-weight ratio and power boost when you need it all, while enjoying a smooth ride. Check out Thomas & Tractor showroom with everything from parts to apparel, and now they're a full area dealer with boots and clothing. Family-owned Thomas & Tractor Company in Fireball, where for over 56 years they strive to provide their customers with individual personalized attention. Please follow us on Instagram at Thomas & Retail.
We Care is a program from the Fresno Madera Area Agency on Aging, because caring for a loved one can be overwhelming. We Care is about how to do this important job while taking care of yourself, too. It's your lifeline as a caregiver. It's tailor-made for unpaid caregivers who are suddenly caring for a loved one. This program is web-based, free, convenient, and confidential. The time to act is now. Text We Care to 43386. Grab a pen, and I'll give that number to you again in a moment. We Care provides a custom program on topics like Alzheimer's and dementia, fall prevention, handling stress, and caring for yourself. Text We Care to 43386. That's We Care to 43386. Learn what you can...